Welcome back to my channel Knowledge Chronicle.
Today, we're diving into one of the most fascinating journeys of life: pregnancy and embryonic development. From implantation to a fully developed baby in 9 months. This is the miracle of life like you've never seen before. Once fertilization takes place, the zygote travels to the uterus and embeds itself into the thick, nutrient-rich lining. This process is called implantation. Now, here's where it gets fascinating. The outer layer of the blastocyst, called the trophoblast, develops finger-like projections known as chorionic villi. These villi dive into the uterine tissue, forming an intricate mesh with maternal blood vessels. This network becomes a lifeline called the placenta, a functional and structural bridge between the mother and the developing baby. The placenta does 3 vital things. 1, it supplies oxygen and nutrients to the baby. 2, it removes carbon dioxide and waste products. And 3, it acts as an endocrine gland producing hormones like HCG, human chorionic gonadotropin, which helps maintain pregnancy. HPL, human placental lactogen, prepares the mother's body for breastfeeding. Estrogens and progestogens are essential for maintaining the uterine environment. Relaxin, secreted later by the ovaries, relaxes pelvic muscles for childbirth. And connecting the baby to this whole system is the umbilical cord, the ultimate transport cable that carries life. During pregnancy, the mother's body becomes a hormonal powerhouse. Hormones like prolactin for milk production, thyroxine for metabolism, and cortisol for fetal growth increase several times. These changes aren't random. They ensure the baby grows healthy and the mother's body adjusts to each stage of development. Germ layers and stem cells. Just after implantation, the inner cell mass of the embryo starts to organize itself. It forms 3 layers, known as germ layers, ectoderm, which forms the nervous system, brain, skin, hair, and nails. Endoderm, which forms internal organs like the lungs, liver, and digestive tract. And mesoderm, which gives rise to muscles, bones, heart, blood, and kidneys. This layering is called gastrulation, and it's crucial. Think of these like the blueprints of the body. At this stage, we also find stem cells, powerful little cells that can turn into any tissue or organ. They're like blank tiles in Scrabble, capable of forming any word. Let's explore how the embryo grows over 9 months. Month 1, the heart forms. And yes, it starts beating. Using a stethoscope, doctors can sometimes hear it as early as 6 weeks. Month 2, limbs and digits develop. Little arms, legs, fingers, and toes start taking shape. By 12 weeks, at the end of the first trimester, all major organ systems are developed. External genital organs begin forming, revealing the baby's gender. Month 5, big milestone. First movements are felt. This is called quickening. Hair appears on the baby's head. By 24 weeks, at the end of the second trimester, fine hair called lanugo covers the body. Eyelids open and eyelashes form. By 9 months, the baby is fully developed, lungs are mature, and the fetus is ready for birth. Gestation in other animals. Ever wondered how long pregnancy lasts in other animals? Dogs, about 2 months. Cats, also around 2 months. Elephants, the longest, nearly 22 months. Nature surely has its own timing. And that's the magical journey of how a single cell becomes a full human being in just 9 months. From hormonal hurricanes to microscopic engineering, pregnancy is nothing short of a miracle. If you found this video insightful, don't forget, your 1 like, share, and subscribe will help us create more valuable content. See you in the next video on Knowledge Chronicle.